Okay. Now it is going on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Recording has started.
Tick, 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 tick.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Fine. See here they are telling you. I think we started from here. Sorry. See, it was telling. See, talking about, here, this whole thing from here till here. The line you can see is not straight, no? Can you see the coast over here?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is not very straight. It is all crisscross, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you compare the western and the eastern part, you will find that east has got more of, it has got more of cuts, like here, then here, then here. So these cuts that we have, these cuts, what is the benefit of these cuts? Do you know?
Ma'am, area is more.
Huh?
Area is more.
What is more?
Area.
No, 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 no. See, the benefit of this is that it allows natural harbors. It allows natural harbor.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of harbors?
Beta, the place where the ships, they come and they stand.
Ma'am, the real
Okay,
benefit
ma'am.
of
Okay, ma'am.
these cuts is that we got to learn something more.
What?
Ma'am, the real benefits of these cuts is that we got to learn something more.
Yes. See, these places, if you see over here, it is not going. See, if you see this place, especially this part, it has a easy natural harbor. There is no artificial thing required here. Easily ships can come, they can, stand over here, and moreover, the waves, the ocean waves or the sea water that touches the land, it tends to, spoil the harbor. It tends to, spoil the edges. These lines that we have, these are, broken by the direct waves that come over here. So because of these cuts inside, it is not easy for the sea water to cut the edges, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And it says, see the tip of the land. See over here, if you see, see from here towards the east, Bay of Bengal is there. And from here towards the west, we have the Arabian Sea, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So they are saying that because of the they say these lines, they don't go on their own.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what. Okay. Here it is telling you that the south of 22 degrees north latitude begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. I hope this line is clear now to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम एक बार और समझा दीजिए.
बेटा वो ये कह रहा है कि जो हमारा जो नीचे से अगर हम साउथ की तरफ देखते हैं तो 22 डिग्री नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड से हमारे कंट्री की जो लाइंस है, जो हमारे जो कंट्री का जो पोर्शन है, वो क्या करता है, वो टुवर्ड्स जब हम इंडियन ओशन जाते हैं तो वो उस दो ईस्ट और वेस्ट पार्ट को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है, जिसमें एक तरफ अरेबियन सी है और एक तरफ आपका बे ऑफ बंगाल है। ठीक है, ठीक है
Yes.
बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, then it says that because wait, see, when we talk of the latitudinal extent and the longitudinal extent, we say the longitudinal extent of the country has 30 degrees in it. If you see, can you all see from this 96 degrees east to 68 degree east, we have
Yes, ma'am.
30 degrees of longitude in it. So when we calculate, see it is showing that the longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. हमारा ईस्ट वेस्ट एक्सटेंट जो है वो छोटा दिखता है। अगर आप देखो इसमें मैप में ईस्ट वेस्ट अगर हम देखें तो हमें ये छोटा लगता है ना देखने में।
Yes, ma'am.
और नॉर्थ साउथ जो है वो हमारा
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, ये इन्होंने बताया है। ठीक है, ओके।
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, now in this next paragraph it tells you that from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 20 hours. कह रहा है 2 घंटे का टाइम लैग है। Arunachal Pradesh is in the east, Gujarat is in the west, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
हाँ, ये कहता है कि जब जिस समय अरुणाचल प्रदेश में सनराइज होता है, उस टाइम पे कहाँ पे सनराइज हो रहता है?
गुजरात।
उस समय गुजरात में सनराइज नहीं होता है। गुजरात में अरुणाचल प्रदेश के सनराइज होने के 2 आवर्स के बाद जो है सनराइज होता है। ठीक है,
Okay, ma'am.
क्या बेटा?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, ये हमने बता दिया था। अच्छा, अब एक चीज और, अब क्योंकि हमारे कंट्री में 30 डिग्रीज ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड्स है, तो ये कैसे डिसाइड हो कि कहाँ पे किस जगह का टाइम जो है स्टैंडर्ड टाइम कहलाएगा? तो 82.5 डिग्रीज ईस्ट पे जो लॉन्गिट्यूड है हमारा, ये वाला, कैन यू सी दिस लाइन, दिस स्टैंडर्ड
Yes,
मेरिडियन?
ma'am.
हाँ, कह रहे हैं
Yes,
इस
ma'am.
वाली लाइन को जो है वी हैव टेकन एज द स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ द कंट्री। और इस लाइन पे जब जो टाइम 12 बजे जो टाइम इस लाइन पे होता है, उसी टाइम को जो है लिया जाता है फॉर दी इसी टाइम को कंसिडर किया जाता है फॉर दी स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन। जो टाइम इस लाइन पे होता है वही टाइम पूरे कंट्री में हम कंसिडर करते हैं। अगर हम सब जगह की उसको कंसिडर करेंगे तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगी टाइम का एक ट्रैक रखने का। तो जो ये जो मिर्जापुर से जो स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन पास ऑन करती है, इसमें जो टाइम होता है वही टाइम कंसिडर किया जाता है। राइट क्लास?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, नाउ कमिंग टू इंडिया एंड दी वर्ल्ड। नहीं, सॉरी, वन मोर
Ma'am,
थिंग।
excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा।
Ma'am, I want to ask, ma'am, what does it means, ma'am? Land boundary of India. Ma'am,
बेटा
what does it
लैंड,
mean?
जो मेन लैंड है, मेन लैंड, लैंड बाउंड्री, लैंड जो है ना, केवल जो लैंड को कंसिडर करते हैं वो उसके बारे में कह रहा है।
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अब नेक्स्ट थिंग, it says the latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. कल हम लोगों ने हीट जोन्स के बारे में पढ़ा था ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what exactly this line means, that the latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Can anybody explain me this line? Huh?
Ma'am, which line?
Latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north.
Ma'am,
Yes. बताओ. अच्छा.
Ma'am, the places from where the latitude passes, the days and nights are different.
हाँ. Or let us come to this question. Why is the difference between the durations of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not so in Kashmir? कह रहा है, in Kashmir the duration of day and night we can easily feel that, but at Kanyakumari it is not so. Why is it so? Why there is a difference in the duration of day and night in Kashmir but not in Kanyakumari?
ma'am, because Kanyakumari, ma'am, no, at Kanyakumari, ma'am, it is at sea level, so ma'am, it experienced the day fast, ma'am, than the Kashmir, ma'am.
But if we don't have to consider sea level, then because Kashmir and Kanyakumari, they are completely on different latitudinal lines. If you see, if you look at the location, they are different. One is below the Tropic of Cancer and one is above the Tropic of Cancer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो अब हमें बताओ क्या होगा रीजन इसका? Taran?
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ.
Ma'am, can you repeat whatever you have right now? I got connected.
Acha, the question is why the difference between the duration of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not so in Kashmir. In Kashmir, you can easily find out, there is difference between the duration of day and night. But in Kanyakumari, it is the same. Why is it so? There is no difference in the duration of day and night at Kanyakumari.
Ma'am, because Kashmir is far from equator.
Because Kashmir is far from equator.
Yes, ma'am.
You can say this. You can say this. Very good. See, because
Ma'am, may I tell?
And
Wait.
ma'am, Kanyakumari is near, that's why there is not much difference.
Exactly. See, Kanyakumari is close to equator. That is why days and nights are equal, 12-hour days and 12-hour nights. But Kashmir is, away from the equator. And as we move towards the north, the duration becomes more, right? That is why in Kashmir, day and night differences are more than the Kanyakumari. I hope now it is clear to everyone. Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Between durations of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not so in Kashmir. They are
This is
trying
what-
to say that it is built in Kashmir.
In Kashmir, day and night duration is felt because, as per the seasons.
But in the it said that not so felt in Kashmir.
Hardly felt at Kanyakumari, but not so in Kashmir. कह रहा है कन्याकुमारी में डिफरेंस पता ही नहीं चलता है और कश्मीर में पता चलता है, ऐसा क्यों? वो पूछ रहा था. ठीक
Okay,
है
ma'am.
हाँ चलो